Okay, you can have an alertness indicator sound from your mobile phone during the play. For this to enable, go into the locomotive settings and enable the alertness indicator. Select the alertness indicator sound frequency. Now we'll choose 15 seconds. So now if I start with the locomotive, I will go to the other direction. After 15 seconds, the mobile phone will start playing the alertness indicator sound, and also this button will be blinking red. Now you can see, and you can also hear the sound. You need to press the button, so the sound now will be switch off. After 15 seconds, it will start again. And now we will see what happens if I don't press the button. The alertness indicator only coming if the locomotive is moving. So when it stops, then it is switched off actually. And after 10 seconds, if you don't press the alertness indicator button, the locomotive will stop. As you can see, automatically stopped, and you will have the message that the locomotive has been stopped because you did not press the alertness indicator button. You can turn off this function from here or press OK, and after that you can start with the locomotive again.